Common logarithm, powers and roots of number less than 1. Now, how do we solve um, numbers lesser than 1 having powers? How do we calculate, look for their logarithm using logarithm table? Now, this is an example. Evaluate with logarithm table 0.7345 raised to power 3. Now, if you have been following me on my previous videos on logarithm, you will see that this should be easy for you. Now, solution. What is the first thing you're supposed to do? Bring down this number and look for, find this standard form. Convert this to standard form. How do we go about this? This point must be in front of the first digit. How many times does the point move? Once. That's -1. Then you have your value to be in standard form 7.345 times 10 raised to power -1. Now, why do we need to convert to standard form? It's because of this integer. This integer is needed when looking for logarithm of the number. Now, this is 0.7345. Now, first of all, write the integer -1 point. Now we use the fractional part, this fraction, to look for the logarithm of the number. Now we check the logarithm table for 73 under 4, difference of 5. 73 under 4 is 8657. In difference of 5 is 3. That's 8657. 8657. Difference of 5 is what? 3. Then we add the numbers together. This is 7 plus 3, 10. You carry your 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6, 0. This is the fractional part. You include it here, 8660. We've gotten the logarithm value for 0.7345. Now, what of now for 0.7345 raised to power 3? Our main concern is the what? Is the power. Now, you multiply your logarithm value with the power. That is how you solve for this kind of number. Now you multiply 3 with what? With the logarithm value, and 3 is the power of the what? Of what we are looking for. Now this is 3 times 0 is what? 0. 3 times 6, 18. And I mean the 1, carry 1. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1, 19. Carry 1. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1, 25. Right, 5. Carry 2. Now, 3 times -1 is -3. You know, we have plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That will be -1. Now, when you check it, that's what? -1. Then you have your what? 1 bar. Now, having gotten this, the logarithm of 0.7345 raised to power 3, you find the antilog of this number. We are looking for antilog of this number. Then what will be the antilog? Antilog of 1, 5, 1 bar, 0.5980. Now, notice something. This is our integer, and this is our fractional part. And when you looking for logarithm of a number, you use the fractional part. Now, we are going to be using 5, checking the table for antilog 59 under 8, difference of 0. Though we don't have difference, 0 is not in the difference line, but let's just still put it there. Now 59 under 8, 59 under 8 is 3963. You see, there's no difference of 0. 3963, 3963 plus what? Plus 0. Now what would you have? This will still be 3963. Now notice something. For our antilog, what happened? We have our value of this to be 3 3.963. Now, how does the integer come in play? Finally, we have 3.963 times 10 raised to power the what? The integer value minus 1. And that will be what? Is equal to 3.963 times 10 raised to power minus 1 is 1 over 10. Check my indices video. And this will be what? 0.3963. That's our final answer. For this, we have 0.3963. That's our final answer on power. Let's check roots, examples on roots.